Hi, dog. Oh, so cute, dog. Hi, dog. Oh, let's check the other dogs. Cat, ang gusto makita. Oh, you go, go. Let's go over there. Ooh, lots of dogs nga. Oh, there's an event here. Ooh, daming dogs. So cute, this is cute. Look at this. Oh, really? Where? BGH? Oh, okay. Alright, nice to meet you.
Oh yeah, Rufus. No, you're afraid? You're afraid?
Lots of dogs, cats and dogs. Mostly dogs. Oh, so cute. And this dog too. Cute. So cute dog. Is this a pug?
He's a French bulldog.
Ah, French bulldog. So cute.
Rufus.
French bulldog. Go there.
They're over here,
Nice dogs. Healthy dogs. Ooh, let the dogs out! Hoo, hoo. This is a dog event. Oh my god, German Shepherd right there. Oh, nice.
Yeah. She's
Wow,
just,
big dogs.
came from the village. Yes.
Oh, this is a big dog. The biggest dog ever I've seen here. Ooh, nice dog. Big. Yoga with puppies. There you go. Where are the puppies? So cute. Bosleys. Oh my god, this is a big dog. Biggest dog so far.
She set the ways, just like your little program, and
Especially when they get to Yeah, exactly.
they're like, talk about cameras. There's tons of awesome dogs out on camera. Yeah, I see them all the time. What do you play music? He doesn't mind. Yeah, he doesn't mind. Yeah, he's fine. Once his coat grows up a bit, then he'll probably help protect him from the sun too, right? Yeah.
Good dogs. Pomeranian.
Yeah.
Excited.
Oh, nice.
Plus is November of 2020.
Oh my god, they're so big dogs. This is a cute dog. So cute.
So bad.
Oh my, look at this. Pool party. Fun in the summer sun. Look at the dogs. They love water. Ooh. Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Oh my god. Oh my god. Lots of dogs. Whole party. Whole party. Whole party. Whole party. Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? It's raining dogs. What about cats? Where are the cats? Hey doggy. Oh, look at the dogs. This dog is good. Look at this. German Shepherd. And different dog products. Search and Rest and Recovery Association.
Telegraph code
Lots of dog products companies. Microchip Clinic. And what's in here? Oh, lots of more dog products. Pepper. It's raining dogs. Oh, like this one. Yoga with the puppies. Where are the puppies? Where are the puppies? Oh, they're small.
Whatever, I feel like I got a nice bonus day after that.
Nice dogs. Dalmatian. Oh, this one's cute. Talaga may lifeguard pa, oh. Look at the lifeguards, guys. Talaga may lifeguard pa. I love this. Husky.
This is my parents next to you.
This is Husky Waddy Shepherd and Purebred Husky.
Oh, nice. I love Husky. Wow. Thank you. Ooh, this one.
Those guys were also
There's a lot of different kinds of dogs here. What's in here? Nothing here. Oh, nice, look at that. Super dog. It's like a super dog. Look at that. So cute. Look at this dog, guys. Ganda. Who let the dogs out? Oh, I love this dog here, right here. Wow. Daming magagandang dogs. Too many beautiful dogs, guys. I love this dog here. Oh. Shoot.
Okay, then.
No, I haven't. No, they're great for dogs and kids and messy husbands. Yeah. You guys want to see how it works? Sure. We're just going to compare this ordinary mat here to the miracle mat, okay? So you wipe your feet on the ordinary mat, but you still end up tracking in a bit of dirt, mud, and mess. Okay, so you see the footprints there. Now he's going to do it again. This time, you don't even have to wipe your feet, okay? So you just step on it a couple of steps, and it will absorb all that mess directly into the mat. You know, the kids never wipe their feet when they come in the
Oh,
dog
nice.
across the mat. So,
Very absorbent.
The way to go right from the mud to the plow. Okay, and then step on it.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. I don't have a dog, but I want to see. Are there food dogs? Treats?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Take care.
Thank you. They love it. Come on, doggy. You can have a treat. Try Grandpa's treats. Grandpa's treats. There you go. Oh, I think he loves it. Hi. Pause and cook.
Cash or credit? I can do credit. Yeah. Just one. We just don't have tap.
Popsicle pies? Oh. Thank you. This dog. Beautiful dog.
Sorry.
No, that's okay.
Okay, we've totally missed it. That's yeah. Are we still right there? Oh, yeah.
Ooh, nice. Beautiful dog. This is the dog event. I thought it's dogs and cats, but it's only dogs event because most of the pets are dogs here. Who let the dogs out? Ooh, nice dogs. He's hungry. Is this a husky?
Oh, husky, yeah.
Oh my. This is my favorite dog. Husky. Hi husky. Whoa. Good job, buddy. Speaking for Animals. BCSPCA. Speaking for Animals. Nice dog. Big dog. What kind of animal?
Rottweiler.
Huh?
He's a Rottweiler.
Oh, right.
Yeah,
Wow.
German Rottweiler.
Wow.
Yeah, he's only 9 months. He's about
9 months
100 pounds already, yeah.
already? He can still grow?
He's about 2 years.
2 years old. That's full grown.
Pretty much, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well, I've seen some dogs there, bigger. So it can grow as big as those ones. Wow. Oh my God! How much food he ate then?
Thank you. Well, he's only- how many cups a day?
8 cups a day. Wow. Okay.
He's a growing boy.
Good luck. More years to come. Hello. Nice dog there.
Ripley.
Hi.
Ripley, look.
There you go. Beautiful.
Hey,
Hi.
Ripley. May I pet?
Oh,
Of course.
do some tricks.
Sit.
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 There you go.
Paw.
There. Shake hands. Shake hands. Very good.
And can I have other paw?
Oh, nice. Good boy, girl.
Boy.
Boy, good boy. There you go. Can I tap?
Yes, you can.
Oh my God. It's nice hair. Thank you.
Get a treat for doing this.
There you go. Good boy. There you go. Good treat. Thank you. Hi.
The fastest dog, or the 1 o'clock round of fastest dog underway here. Going on. We'll have 4 heats, and then we will have the final coming up. Of course, these dogs all competing for prizes from Tilted Barn, a Windsor. We're going to get heat 1 here in the pit and have one ready to go momentarily.
Oh my god.
There are 2 more rounds of fastest dog going on at the 2 and
Oh my god, that's a big dog right there.
So if you haven't got your dog registered in time for the 1 o'clock race, you still got 2 more chances this afternoon to see if they are fast enough.
Cute. Lots of cute dogs. Victoria Bulldog Society. Oh, look at that. Wow.
Are you so scared? Oh, that was good.
Let's have a look in here.
So good luck. Oh, you're gonna just smile at all the people.
Stay.
Say, I'm so handsome.
Stay.
Are you?
Stay. Good boy.
Oh my goodness. Okay, well I think I'll
Okay. Beauty.
All right, here we go. Heat 1 of the fastest dog. 3, 2, 1, go. There we go. Sadie the super jumper showing off those hops. And Sadie the super jumper coming away victorious. We talked about plenty of the events going to go around.
Hi. Hello. Wow. One of the biggest dogs here. Is this a puppy or it's still a puppy?
He's 8 months old.
8 months.
Yes.
Oh my god. Oh, my good boy.
Doing things.
Thank you so much. 8 months. There you go. Oh no way. It's so sweet. Thank you.
No problem. No, thank you.
Look at this dog here. Did he go to the pool? Oh my, I think he's so wet. He loves it. You play with it? Pool party. Pool party. Nice dog here. Hi, Z. Hi. You didn't go to the pool? Yeah. Hello. Hello, hello.
I think that's your best bet.
Hello.
Come on, Bailey.
Oh, cutie, cutie. Cutie, cutie. Cutie, cutie. Oh. Hi. Cute dogs.
You're gonna have a lot of pictures.
Oh, yeah. A lot of dogs out here today. It's only for dogs, eh? No cats?
Probably.
Mostly dogs, right?
Because you got it on a leash or something.
Oh, okay.
But I don't know how other dogs would react to a cat.
Yeah, I know.
Some dogs are okay and others.
Not for the cats. Yeah. Thank you. What are these? Leash? That's a lot of leash. Kitty dog! Kitty dog! Oh, I love this dog. What dog is this?
It's a Springer Spaniel.
Oh my god. So beautiful.
Thank you.
And so with this one. There you go. So cute. Ooh. Hello. Hi. How are you? Hi there. It's a nice dog here. What kind of dog is this?
It's a Hungarian bully.
Oh, lots of hair.
Timmy, sit. Sit. Timmy.
Timmy, sit.
Timmy, sit. What is that?
He's busy. He's busy, I guess. Oh my God, that's a lot of dogs. Enjoy the show, the event. Hello. Lots of dog stuff. Hello. Bulldog? Is this a bulldog?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Yeah, English bulldog. There you go. Can keep up with the different kinds of dogs, beautiful dogs in this event here at the Eskimo area. Hi. Nice dog. Look at these dogs. Oh, beautiful dogs.
She's so pretty. Nice dog.
Most of the dogs here are well trained because you really see those kinds of behaviors there. They don't really like fighting with each other. Oh. This must be a girl dog, hey? Hello. Beautiful dog. Hello. Hello, buddy. Hello, buddy. What dog is this?
Cane Corso.
Oh my. Puppy? Still a puppy? Or?
He's almost 2. He's a couple months away.
Oh,
from being
okay.
2, yeah.
Wow. Beautiful dog.
Oh, you love it?
There are medics for humans, there are medics for dogs and animals. Look at this. This is dog's ambulance. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh, look at that puppies. Kisses, 5 cents. There you go. So cute. Everybody wants keys? Only for 5 cents. There you go. Lots of frisbees. Oh my god, lots of puppies. Lots of puppies. Oh my goodness. Hey buddy. Let go of here, buddy. Come here, buddy. It's tangled. Hello, puppies. Are these all taken? Are you selling them? Oh, okay. Hello, puppy. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hello, hello. what kind of dog?
A Pomeranian.
Oh yeah. So popular, I guess. Eh? So cute. Don't tell me this is still a puppy.
No, he's 4.
4 years old already.
Yeah.
So cute, small dog.
Yeah, he's a little.
It's like a stuffed toy.
Yeah.
Doesn't bark?
Yeah, but not
But
all the time.
not all the
He
time.
is rude, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, of course.
That's a big dog too. Can I have a picture of this dog here? Hello, buddy. Hello, buddy. There you go. Oh, here. Other tricks? Oh, just spin. There you go. Good enough. Oh, shake hands. Thank you. Nice. Good dog. Beautiful dog. Truly, Canadians are dog lovers. Look at these people here. They brought all these dogs. They're beautiful dogs. They are all amazing dogs. I can't see any dogs fighting with each other. I think they're well trained. Even this bulldog here. And this is a good event for all the dog lovers out there. God. What kind of dog is this?
Great Dane.
Wow. How old is he?
She just turned 1 year old.
Oh, she. Okay, 1 year old.
Yeah,
Can
I
she
know.
still grow?
Yeah, just a little bit. She's not
Just
gonna
a
get
little
much taller, but she'll get broader.
Oh my. Wow.
She's doing pretty good. Losing her mind a little bit here.
Have you seen one of this kind here in this event?
There's a few.
There's a few?
Yeah, like on Facebook, there's a Great
Wow.
Dane
So you have a group
Victoria.
here? Nice.
So just
Wow.
like plans like to have 5 or 6 of us here. I don't
Oh,
have any-
just 6 of you.
Yeah, my brother's working at the booth, so I'm gonna be here every day.
There you go.
But yeah.
Nice dog.
Yeah, no,
I love
she's
it.
So sweet. Like honestly, I couldn't be happier. She's like,
do you bring her to your bed or something? Or she has her own room?
yeah, I'll wake. She's got her own stuff and spot, but sometimes I'll wake up and she'll eat.
For sure.
That's okay.
Yeah, I know. Okay, thank you. Hello.
Hello.
Nice dogs.
Thank you.
Ooh. Sweet dogs. Hello. Hello. Nice. Oh, see here. Oh, there you go. Oh, nice. Stay. Jump. I think he's busy with all the dogs around here. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, don't worry.
Pool party.
Oh, hi again. Hi. How are you? Good. Did you guys go first?
Oh, beautiful.
Look at 6.
Hello.
Look at 6.
Same kind, eh? Are the same kind?
He's a Burmadoodle.
Oh,
Doodle.
okay. There you go. Beautiful dogs. Okay, thank you, dogs.
Water bottle.
Who let the dogs out? So cute. One of the smallest dog I've ever seen here so far. But cute.
Oh, here.
What kind of dog is this?
He's a Brussels Griffin.
Oh,
We actually
yeah.
have a puppy.
A puppy. Okay.
He's not.
He's not puppy?
No.
Oh, okay. How old?
6 years old.
Oh, 6 years old. There you go. So cute. Okay.
Yeah.
Enjoy the event. Thank you. I can't catch up with all the dogs around here, guys. So far I enjoyed. Even if we don't have dogs, I enjoyed looking at the different kinds of dogs. They're well behaved. I think they're well trained. So this is the wrap up of our video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. There's a lot of dogs, beautiful dogs, and the pet owners are so nice, and they let us take a video of their dogs. And we hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel and share this video. Thank you and see you next time. Hey guys, did you see the different kinds of dogs? Huh? Daming dogs, di ba? Dami, grabe. Super dami. Ang gaganda. One dog? Wow. Which one is your favorite? That one? I like the bulldog. And of course the husky. Oh, bloodhound. I love it. I love this show. Kahit wala tayong pets. At least we saw different kinds of dogs. Yeah. What? There's fish. There's a fish. Okay. Say bye-bye everybody. See you next time. Thank you for watching Team Vinluan. Triple double. Bye-bye.